Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Learn English with Shelly Viva. Today we will learn different tastes in English. So let's get started. What is taste? Taste is a flavor you sense in your mouth from eating or drinking. Now let's take a look at the different tastes. Salty. French fries are salty. Sweet. Cupcakes are sweet. Sour. Lemons and limes are sour. Bitter. Coffee is bitter. Savory. Or umami. Pizza is savory. Now it's question time. If you have some cake, what is the taste of it? If you thought sweet, you are correct. Good job. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope this video was helpful. And for more videos like this, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much. See you guys soon.